Introduction to Excel 2003. This is Excel, a spreadsheet program. Each one of these boxes made up with this grid are called cells. Every cell has a cell reference, for example C6. There are three types of information we can store in a cell. One is text, so we can type in some text, and another is numbers, and we can type in a couple of numbers. Notice that the numbers are right aligned to the cell, whereas text is left aligned. The last type of information we can put in are formula. These are the calculations. An example would be to add two numbers. So let's start our formula with equals, as they should do, and we'll type equals B3 plus B4. Notice that as we type in the references, they're color coded with the cell to help us. And when I press enter, I don't get what I've just typed. What is shown in the cell is the answer. However, you can see from the formula bar at the top there, it actually stores what we've typed. In other words, the calculation. If we update one of our numbers, notice that the answer is automatically recalculated. That's the end of the introduction. Thank you for listening.